Hi, in this video I will show you how to use quick login on the Roblox. So the process is pretty simple. If you are looking for how you can basically use the quick login feature on the Roblox, then watch this video till the end. So first of all, you have to open your Roblox on your mobile or on your laptop. So choice is here, and once you will do it, after that you have to click on the settings from here and you will see quick login option. Simply tap on it. Okay, once you will here, after that you have to create a new tab or open a new window. So here I opened a new window and here is the login page of the Roblox, as you will see on the top. Okay, once you will do it, now you can simply click on the quick login and it will generate a code. And remember that don't share this code with anyone else. So simply copy this from here. Once you will copy it, now go back to this page and you have to enter or paste this code here and click on enter. And once you will do it, you have to click on the confirm login and click on the done. And you will see you can now log in to this account. So this is the procedure to use the quick login on the Discord. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.